Hello, and welcome to our video today, where we will be discussing the two most popular methods of washing your car: foam cannon versus bucket wash. Both methods have their own advantages and disadvantages, and it ultimately comes down to personal preference and the level of cleaning you are looking to achieve. Foam cannon wash. The foam cannon wash is a popular method that has gained a lot of popularity in recent years. The foam cannon attaches to your pressure washer and shoots out a thick layer of foam that covers your car, helping to loosen dirt and grime before you start washing. This can save you time and effort during the washing process, as it can help you avoid scrubbing excessively and causing scratches on the surface of your car. One of the biggest advantages of a foam cannon is the amount of foam it can produce. The thick layer of foam covers the car's surface, ensuring that the soap remains in contact with the dirt for a longer period of time. This can help break down the dirt and grime and loosen it from the surface of your car. Another advantage of the foam cannon is the ability to reach difficult areas such as under the car and in tight corners. The foam cannon can cover the entire car, including hard-to-reach areas, ensuring that the dirt and grime is removed from every inch of your vehicle. However, foam cannons can also have their disadvantages. One of the biggest downsides is the cost. Foam cannons can be expensive to purchase, especially when you add the cost of the pressure washer, and can require a lot of maintenance to keep them working properly. Additionally, the foam cannon does not completely eliminate the need for a bucket wash, as you still need to rinse the foam off and use a bucket to wash the car's surface. Bucket wash? The bucket wash is a traditional and time-tested method that has been used for decades to clean cars. It involves filling a bucket with soap and water, using a sponge or wash mitt to apply the soap to the car's surface, and then rinsing it off with a hose. One of the biggest advantages of a bucket wash is the cost. You only need a few basic tools, such as a bucket, soap, water, and a sponge or wash mitt, which are all relatively inexpensive. This makes the bucket wash an affordable and accessible option for many people. Another advantage of the bucket wash is the control it gives you over the washing process. You can choose how much soap to use and how much pressure to apply when scrubbing, which can help you avoid causing damage to the car's surface. However, the bucket wash also has its disadvantages. One of the biggest downsides is the potential for scratches and swirl marks on the surface of your car. Using a sponge or wash mitt can cause scratches, especially if the surface of your car is particularly dirty. Additionally, the bucket wash may not be as effective at removing dirt and grime from hard-to-reach areas, such as under the car and in tight corners. Which method is best? So, which method is best for you? It ultimately depends on your personal preference and the level of cleaning you are looking to achieve. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to clean your car, the foam cannon may be the best option. It can save you time and effort during the washing process and is particularly effective at removing dirt and grime from hard-to-reach areas. However, if you are looking for a more affordable option and have the time to dedicate to a thorough cleaning, the bucket wash may be the better choice. It gives you more control over the washing process and can help you avoid causing damage to the surface of your car. We hope this video has helped you understand the pros and cons of each method and has given you a better idea of which method may be best for your needs. Thanks for watching.